Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table after a fantastic service call? You nail the job, your customer is thrilled, but then comes the not-so-thrilling part: getting paid. If you're a home service professional using Housecall Pro, you're already a step ahead. But are you truly maximizing its invoicing power to streamline your cash flow and impress your clients? Think about it. That invoice is more than just a bill. It's a final touchpoint, a representation of your professionalism, and a crucial step in building lasting customer relationships. A clear, accurate, and timely invoice can be the difference between getting paid promptly and chasing down outstanding balances. It can also influence whether that happy customer calls you again for their next service need. In this video, we're diving deep into the art and science of invoicing within Housecall Pro. We'll go beyond the basics and explore how to craft invoices that are not only effective in getting you paid, but also enhance your brand and simplify your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned Housecall Pro user or just getting started, you'll discover valuable tips and tricks to optimize your invoicing process. So, grab a virtual seat, and let's transform your invoicing from a chore into a powerful tool for your business. First things first, let's cover the fundamentals. Creating an invoice. There are a few ways to initiate this process within Housecall Pro, offering flexibility depending on your workflow. One common method is directly from a completed job. Once you've marked a job as finished, Housecall Pro intuitively prompts you to create an invoice. This ensures that no job slips through the cracks and that billing is directly linked to the service provided. You'll find a clear Create Invoice button, usually located prominently on the job details screen. Clicking this button will pre-populate the invoice with information from the job, such as the customer's details, the services rendered, and any materials used. This saves you valuable time and reduces the risk of errors. Alternatively, you can create a new invoice from scratch. This might be useful for situations like sending a preliminary estimate that you want to convert into an invoice later, or for billing for recurring services. To do this, navigate to the Invoices section in your Housecall Pro menu and look for an option like New Invoice or a plus icon. Regardless of how you initiate the invoice creation, you'll be presented with the invoice editor. This is where you'll add the specifics of the bill. The first crucial step is ensuring the customer information is accurate. Housecall Pro will typically pull this from your customer database, but it's always a good idea to double-check the name, address, email, and phone number. Accurate contact information is essential for delivering the invoice and for any follow-up communication. Next comes the heart of the invoice, the line items. Here, you'll detail the services performed and any materials provided. Housecall Pro allows you to easily add items from your service catalog, which you should ideally keep updated with your standard services and pricing. This not only speeds up the invoicing process, but also ensures consistency in your billing. When adding line items, be specific and descriptive. Instead of just saying plumbing repair, consider detailing the specific work done, such as replaced faulty kitchen faucet or cleared clogged drain in master bathroom. This level of detail helps your customers understand exactly what they're paying for and can prevent disputes. You can also adjust the quantity, unit price, and add discounts or markups to individual line items as needed. Housecall Pro will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes, if applicable and configured, and the total amount due. Speaking of taxes, it's crucial to configure your tax settings correctly within Housecall Pro. This ensures that the appropriate sales tax rates are applied to your invoices based on your location and the services you provide. You can usually manage your tax settings in the Settings or Account section of Housecall Pro. Beyond the basic line items, Housecall Pro offers several features to enhance your invoices. You can add notes or descriptions to the entire invoice, providing additional context or special instructions for the customer. This is a great place to include warranty information, payment terms, or a simple thank you message. You also have the ability to attach files to your invoices, such as photos of the completed work or supporting documentation. This can be particularly helpful for providing visual evidence of the service performed or for including detailed reports. Customization is key to maintaining a professional brand image. Housecall Pro allows you to customize the look and feel of your invoices with your company logo and brand colors. This small detail can significantly enhance your professionalism and make your invoices instantly recognizable. You can usually find these customization options within the settings or branding section. Once you've meticulously crafted your invoice, it's time to send it to your customer. Housecall Pro offers several convenient delivery methods. The most common and efficient method is electronic delivery via email. You can send the invoice directly from the platform, and your customer will receive a professional-looking email with a link to view their invoice online. This online view often includes options for the customer to pay directly through various integrated payment methods. You can also print the invoice if a physical copy is required or preferred by your customer. Housecall Pro generates well-formatted invoices that are easy to read and understand. For those on the go, the Housecall Pro mobile app allows you to create and send invoices directly from your phone or tablet immediately after completing a job. This can significantly speed up your payment cycle. Now, let's talk about getting paid, the most important part. Housecall Pro integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to offer your customers multiple convenient payment options. You can typically accept credit and debit card payments directly through the online invoice. This is often the fastest way to get paid, as the funds can be deposited directly into your bank account. ACH, Automated Clearinghouse, payments, also known as e-checks, are another option that allows customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. These often have lower processing fees than credit card payments. Depending on your setup, you might also be able to accept payments via other methods like PayPal or even in-person payments that you can then record within Housecall Pro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.